Okay, first of all, dear, without putting in any consumables, you will find that pressing is after this, right? It's empty in the mold. And next, I suggest you refer to my situation. First, stand up, just like me, stand up, and place the machine on a stable table, not on the sofa. It does not bear any force when placed on the sofa. It cannot be pressed. Okay. Next, I suggest that you arrange all the consumables neatly in order for easy access. During the usage process, please note that only one piece of each consumable can be taken out, especially the transparent film, which is easy to stick together. So only take one transparent film and one iron sheet, one photo paper, and one acrylic. Okay, first, let me press the iron sheet, photo paper only one, and the transparent, especially transparent film only one here, and rotate in mode B. Let's put one acrylic here. When pressing for the first time, align, you can see my right hand, align the palm of your right hand with the top of the right handle, and make sure your left hand presses down on the base, and ensure that here you can see the side of the letter A. Ensure the letter A is tightly attached to the cologne here. Make sure tightly attached to the cologne. After stabilizing the base with your left hand here, look at my finger here, and align the palm of your right hand with the top of the right handle, and press it down quickly and forcefully, just like this. Can you see? Okay, then rotate it, and then align the palm of your right hand with the top of the right handle in the same way, making sure the side of the letter B is tightly attached to the cologne. Here, B, tightly attached to the cologne, and stabilize the chassis with your left hand. And let's do the second press. You can see at this point, the second. Pay attention, my right hand and the left hand here, stable. Okay, the second time should be held for 2 to 3 seconds, just like you can see, ding, right? It's a normal voice, and hold on for 2 to 3 seconds. All right, finally, you can see, right? And finally, let's stick the soft magnet on the back. It's done, successful, right?